Okay, this is that same job again, and just we're all finished in here now, and so you can see all the bays are full up, right across and right out into the edge there. You see that over there? It's all full right out to the edge, and that's how a job's supposed to look with a cellulose job. But obviously, if you know, some contractors, product's expensive, if they're not getting paid enough, or they've given you $1,000 discount, well, you know, they might just take that out of the product for you instead of doing a good job. And sometimes they're just lazy. Sometimes they get paid right, but they're just lazy and doing bad workmanship. But anyway, this job's all fixed up for the customer now, and insulated to the right height, so I'll do an excellent job for them now, and they'll be cellulose fibre fans.